Hey internet friends, welcome back. We're going to try something a little different in this video, and I'm going to have the background music playing during the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a simple ground layout for making rafters for like sheds, chicken coops, whatever you want. What you do first is you get yourself a board, the width of the building that you're making your rafters for. And that's what we're going to do for part of the layout. Now, when you're making the rafters like this, it's not going to have any specific pitch, but you just put it up to where you like the looks of it. As you can see, I was measuring, and let's make it easier. Let's make it kind of level. Makes it easier to mark. Now, if we read the code for the bird's mouth, that's what we're marking on the rafters now, is the bird's mouth. It says it needs at least 1.5 inches, so I probably got about 2.5 inches on there for a bird's mouth. And we're marking it up top, and we mark the top one so I can cut it, put it on the bottom one, and mark that one too, and cut it. Now what I'm doing is I'm marking, I'm cutting out for the bird's mouths. And this is basically, remember, it's for simple rafters. Now what we're making here is a pattern, and you're going to want to mark each side because the upper cut won't be exactly the way they're supposed to be. Now I'm using just a piece of scrap lumber for a gusset. It's not really a collar tie because it's not down far enough. But this is to help hold the rafter together and gives it a little more strength. Now I've got the first ones measured out. We're going to mark out the pattern. It's nice to have lots of scraps laying around. So tell me, folks, do you like it with background music or without? My other videos I've had background music in there. Some people say it's too loud, others say it's not. Now, if you wanted to make it a little bit more sturdy, and you would use construction adhesive. Now, actually, I'm going to show you this video twice here. Me making the cutting off the tails. I'm doing a 12-inch overhang. So I put the square up against the edge of what's going to be the outside of the building there. Measure over 12 inches. And I'm marking the bottom. And I'm using that just as a guide mark. And actually where the bottom of it hits the bottom there, I go straight up, and that is going to be the cut of my tail right there. Now we got to head to the other side. We're going to do the exact same thing. Yeah, not the best way to be sawing that, but I pinched it a little bit. Actually got a finished truss, rafter. I'm going to show you one more time how to make the 12-inch overhang. Now coming up, you gotta wait for the skunk to eat at the end. So there we go, folks. Thanks for watching. And hey, leave a comment. What type of video would you like me to make next? Uncle Gary, out.